Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl, Elaine Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Today, we're going to be doing our paycheck to paycheck budget, and I'm interested in doing this because after I finished my monthly, I realized that I did not add in over here my kickboxing, so I need to make sure I go back in and add kickboxing there. I put it in my monthly, I believe. Did I put it over? I did not put it in my monthly either, but I had stickers for it, so I'm not really sure how that even happened, but whatever. I did realize that, so I'm glad I realized it before the month actually got started, so I can kind of correct that. So that's a good thing about doing the paycheck to paycheck budget. As you're seeing things, you can correct it and move things out the way. A second thing that happened is I got recertified for my student loan, so some of that is going to change for the better, I feel like. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into our paycheck to paycheck budget. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. This kit is brought to you by Shea Budget Shop, and you guys can check her out. This kit is going to be specially made for you guys for July because it got such good reviews, and she actually named it the Michelle, so I'm here for it. All right, so I went ahead and I've already done this. You guys saw me do that in my monthly, so let's just get to writing. All right, so for our paycheck number one, rule number one. All right, so we have our bills and expenses. I'm just, ooh, that did not sound very cute at all. Yeah, I was just making sure that I did the same thing over there before. All right, so we're gonna put down our bills and expenses here, and I kind of made this one my own because I just copied it again because I needed some more. So I made that one be what I needed it to be. So I made a couple of them. So she gave me like one, and I made two extra ones on there so that you can ask her to customize it however you need it to. But because she's my friend, she gives me a little bit more leeway. So I just create my own without having to bug her about different things. All right, so our first bill, you guys know we always come up with the whole rent thing, and we're budgeting $780 for rent. Okay, and then we have, just make sure my phone is turned off because y'all know it be going off like for real during these videos. Okay, so we have our rent here for $780, and then we have insurance, and that is what we put. Our insurance is $250, which I think that might be reducing eventually. All right, so this one is just Navient, the first payment. All right, so with that, now it's going to be $98.02 because my total payment is going to be $186. I think that's what they said. So for this one, I'm just going to put $99 here, which is actually lower than what we had over here anyway because it just recertified me. But I also had to so I'm gonna, okay, this is so weird. All right, so I'm gonna put Navient here, but I also had to make another payment. It's a whole story. So I also had to make another payment of $188. So right now it looks like my payment is going to be less, but I had to make another additional payment to start the program over again, and that was $188. All right, now let's get into our items, and that iTunes is $16.41. Now the other thing is, and I looked at I did look at YouTube TV, and I was like, I know y'all lying, but they weren't lying. They are increasing their fees. So let me see, because I took a picture of it. I really did. I was in my feelings about this whole thing anyway. I'm like, why are y'all increasing this thing? Like, let me show y'all. I'll be listening to Sarah Jakes Roberts while I'm at work. But anyways, you see it, YouTube TV is increasing its subscription from $39.99 to $54.99. So the difference between that, so $39.99 minus $54.99. That's $15. It went up $15. Now I can say that they did add some extra channels, which is cool, but I'm like, yo, if I got in on the $39.99, I'm gonna need y'all to leave me alone. Leave me where I be. So I don't know how we're gonna do. I don't know if it's worth it right now. I may look into something else because I think Sling TV is a little bit cheaper. The wonderful thing about YouTube TV is that I can literally play it on any TV that I have that has like a streaming, and like now I have a smart TV and I can play everything right there without having to use my phone. I can cast it anywhere. I can pull it up on my phone and watch TV there. I can watch TV here. I can watch TV there. I can watch TV anywhere. Okay, that was random, but I really like that fact. And then I can DVR as many things as I want to. So I really, really like that. But that extra $15, we're gonna have to see, you know, what's gonna make the most sense. So that's something I want to look into. They just sent me that the other day. So when I made out my monthly, I did not have that already ready. So even with this being $54.99, it's probably gonna be like $56 now that I'm thinking about it, because there is tax, because we were paying, if it went from $39.99, it was $43.69. So we're just gonna go ahead and put $57 here, and that should give us the tax, and we'll see, you know, how that goes. So whew, sweet baby Jesus. All right, so YouTube TV, we're gonna budget it at $57, even though over here we did our budget. Maybe we should keep it at $43.69, and then whatever it comes out, yeah, let's do that. So okay, that way we can actually see what it changed to, because we only budgeted for the beginning of the month $43.69, and then when the actual comes out, no, y'all, I changed my mind again. Nope, I want to keep it at $57, and I'll make a note over here that it changed. See, this is why I white out stuff. Okay, $57, and we'll do the actual when it actually comes, and then we'll change this at the end of the month when we get over here to see where we are. All right, so then we have kickboxing that is also going to come out here. Okay, and the kickboxing is $9.63, and I'll have, let's see, let's go back to our monthly calendar here. All right, so I believe my kickboxing comes out every Tuesday. So you know what, let's just see exactly when the kickboxing comes out, because that's something to note. So kickboxing, okay, so May 22nd is when it normally would have ran. Okay, so May 22nd. I can go back over here and see what that was. May 22nd was on a Wednesday. All right, so if it's normally coming out on a Wednesday, I need to put that on there. So the very first one, so 1, 2, and then I get paid on the 15th. Yeah, so we'll just do 2 payments of $9.63. All right. I was trying to make sure I do that right, because there may be some times where that falls and there's like more there. So that's $19.26 per paycheck. Just making sure we do that right. All right, then we have our cash envelopes. And our sinking funds. Okay, so for the cash envelopes, I'm thinking that I may be reducing, I think I talked about this before, reducing a couple of the categories, but I need to see how this month goes. So I think July, or actually the second paycheck, will probably be when I adjust it. I'm going to adjust it this time, but I don't know exactly what I'm going to adjust it to until I sit down and do that. So right now we're going to keep it the same. We're going to keep this at $420, and we're going to keep this one at $70. And I'm saying that because there are going to be some things that I won't have to, that my groceries are going to be a little bit cheaper, and something else I think in there, and something about my sinking funds may be changing. But anyways, so we have that there. We have all of that. So let's do our total expenses. And then we have our remaining. And if you guys like this pen is available in my shop. I absolutely love it. It is a 0.5, but when I tell y'all it writes like butter, it writes like butter. Okay, butter baby. All right, so we have those. Let's see. Then the things we have, let's go ahead and add that up. So we know our paychecks now, after everything is taken out and we've gotten taken care of all of our stuff, we have 2060 and minus 780 minus 250 minus 99 minus 188. Ooh, Jesus, we're getting close. Minus 1641 minus 15 minus 57 minus 1926. All right, and then this we know is 490 minus 490. All right, so for now we're gonna have $145.33 left. Oh shoot, why y'all let me do that? Why y'all let me do that? We got the answer now, but we don't know how much our total expenses were. I just did all that for nothing. Okay, 780 plus 250. I'm sorry if y'all don't want to watch me go through this again. Plus 99 plus 188 plus 1641 plus 15 plus 57 plus 1926 plus 490. Okay, so our total expenses is 119.14.67, and if we add plus 145.33, we should get 2060. All right, cool. Woo, sweet baby Jesus. I was like, what is going on here? All right, so with our remaining balance of 145.33, we actually would have had, if we did 145.33 plus 188, that would have gave us $333, which would have put us at our half of our payment already. So we only have $145.33 left, and we're going to just apply that. What do you have going on? Oh, you know what? Okay, so some things that are coming up that I will need to apply this to. So my remaining balance of 145, my upcoming events. And I honestly think I'm just going to take this from savings and not really touch this and keep this for going towards my car payment. But in the event that I don't, my upcoming events I have is I'm getting my hair braided. And that does cost $150. So actually I think it's $125. But by the time I get done buying the hair and all that stuff, it's going to be $150. So I am getting my hair braided here. I have a high tea, so I may have to buy some things for that I'm attending. I don't know what all. And then a possible, and then I'm having a photo shoot. But I don't know if he's going to charge me because he wants to like kind of expand his business. So I don't know how much he's going to charge me. So I'm just going to kind of leave that one blank there. I don't really know. And I honestly don't think he's going to charge me. But just in case, I want to be able to have something there for him. I am going on a trip on June the 14th. But the day that I get paid is it'll be June the 14th. So I'm not really worried about that. Any extra money or anything will just come from that next paycheck, so I won't worry too much because this 145 I was able to take care of some other things. I would either put this 145 towards my hair braiding or put it towards my put it towards my car note. So I'm just gonna make a note. No, I'm just going to put that towards a car note. I'm not even going to worry about the hair braiding. I'm going to take the hair braiding stuff from my savings. Yeah, I'm just going to take that from savings and not even worry about it because I don't want to touch really for that. And that's kind of a one offer, so I'm not even gonna mess with that right now. And anything, like if anything, I may take it from one of my cash envelopes and use that, like my entertainment money or something like that. I'll take some money from there and use that there so I don't have to take as much from my savings. That may possibly be a thing, but I don't want to take away from my remaining balance going towards my car note because that's something I've just been working on anyway. All right, so I'm gonna take the time to do these. Are going to be automatic payments. because I like knowing that these are coming out. And these, actually, all of these except for my rent is gonna be automatic this time, because the Navient ones are coming out. I've already set those up. iTunes, all of that is already automatic. The only one I have to make sure I pay on my own is going to be the rent. All right, you guys, so here is my paycheck to paycheck budget. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think down below. How are you coming with your paycheck to paycheck budgets? Things be getting a little tight, but I'm thankful for the money that I've been saving, because I'm able to do things like get my hair braided and not have to like rob Peter to pay Paul. Like, I still have something left there. And even with the Navient thing coming up, like that is like a one offer. So I really need to make sure I mark that. Where's my good highlighter or something to kind of just, let me use this Erin Condren little pin here. I'm gonna mark this one here because this is a one-off situation, just to make sure I don't do that one again. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to be looking back and be like, oh, I got another payment there, because that would have left me with $300 left over versus the $145 left over. But since I had it in there, it made sense for me to go ahead and pay it and not try to, like, you know, hoard it or anything. So here we go, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Mwah! KK, bye.